Welcome to Zukkun Knows. When we think of beauty, we often look to Earth, sunsets, mountains, oceans. But the universe beyond is full of sights so surreal, they challenge our imagination. Let's travel through space and explore the most beautiful places the cosmos has to offer. 1. The Pillars of Creation. Towering columns of gas and dust in the Eagle Nebula. The Pillars of Creation are one of the most iconic images from the Hubble Space Telescope. They glow with newborn stars, stretching light years across, and remind us that even in destruction, new life forms. This isn't just a pretty picture, it's a snapshot of cosmic birth. 2. Saturn's Rings. Saturn's rings are a masterpiece of symmetry and elegance. Made of countless ice particles, they shimmer in sunlight and create a stunning visual spectacle when viewed through a telescope. Their perfect formation and scale make them one of the most beautiful features in our solar system. 3. The Helix Nebula. Often nicknamed the Eye of God, the Helix Nebula looks like a giant eye in the sky. This planetary nebula is formed when a dying star expels its outer layers, creating colorful shells of gas. It's both eerie and mesmerizing, beautiful in a haunting way. The Andromeda Galaxy. As our closest galactic neighbor, Andromeda is visible with the naked eye on a clear night. Its sweeping spiral arms and dense core span over 220,000 light-years, and it contains about 1 trillion stars. Just knowing it's out there, slowly drifting toward us, makes it even more fascinating. 5. The Carina Nebula. If the Pillars of Creation are subtle elegance, the Carina Nebula is raw power. This massive star-forming region hosts some of the most violent stellar bursts in the galaxy. The colors and chaotic swirls of gas make it one of the most visually striking objects in space. 6. Aurora on Jupiter. We're used to auroras on Earth, but Jupiter takes it to the next level. Its powerful magnetic field and constant bombardment by solar wind create massive, glowing auroras near its poles. These lights are larger than Earth itself, and they dance endlessly. 7. Hoag's Object. A nearly perfect ring galaxy, Hoag's Object looks almost artificial. Its central core is surrounded by a bright, circular ring of stars, separated by a mysterious gap. The symmetry and rarity make it one of the strangest and most beautiful galaxies ever found. 8. The Boötes Void. Not everything beautiful is bright. The Boötes Void is a gigantic, empty region of space nearly 1 billion light-years across. Its vast emptiness is awe-inspiring, reminding us just how sparse and lonely parts of the universe can be. 9. The Cat's Eye Nebula. With its intricate layers and bright colors, the Cat's Eye Nebula looks like a cosmic gemstone. It's one of the most complex planetary nebulae ever seen, with multiple shells and strange structures. It's a work of stellar art. 10. The Observable Universe Itself. Finally, the most beautiful view of all might be the universe in its entirety. Cosmic microwave background maps and 3D galaxy surveys show us an intricate web of galaxies, filaments, and voids. It's not just a place, it's a masterpiece of nature, billions of years in the making. Thanks for watching Zukkun Knows. If today's tour through the stars moved you, consider subscribing for more cosmic stories. The universe is vast and beautiful. Let's explore it together.